sisters Maddy and Charlotte have already learned so much about renovating. Starting out with an ambitious full reno they sold for a tidy profit, this entrepreneurial duo is now transforming a house they call Millie. So the goal here is to turn Millie into a safe and comfortable home ready for future tenants. In this reno, they really want to get the foundations and structural elements right first. That's where I come in, to help the girls with any building advice when and where they need it. So girls, tell us about Millie.
She's a 1950s weatherboard cottage, sadly lacking in street appeal, as you can clearly see.
Which is definitely not helped by this very old balustrade.
The plan is to replace this dated iron balustrade with a timber one, to get a more classic, elegant feel. Their main challenge is to find a solution for anchoring the new balustrade into the old concrete, fast. Now for anchoring non-structural steel, my go-to is Sika AnchorFix-1. Not everyone thinks of chemical anchoring in this scenario, but unlike mechanical anchoring, you don't run the risk of cracking your bricks or masonry, which is even more important when you're fixing close to a corner or an edge. All right, girls, so I've done all the hard work. All right, so now it's up to you girls. Who's going to drill the holes?
I can drill it.
All right, we're in. We've got a 12mm bit straight down into the concrete. First, we drill the cavity space. Clean out the dust, clean the hole out. We're going to blow it, clean it a couple of times, and prepare the AnchorFix-1 nozzle that comes with the cartridge.
We're just going to keep squeezing until it turns grey, and then it's ready to use.
And there we go.
Perfect, we're just gonna fill the hole up to almost to the top, leaving a little bit of room. Oh, there we go. Just gonna do the second one. Then we're gonna get the bracket, place it on top, get the threaded rod, we're going to insert it. Then we're gonna twist it. Any excess that comes through at the bottom, we're just gonna wipe it off.
No mixing, no special gun. It's one cartridge and it cures in 50 minutes.
And just like that, after 50 minutes, this balustrade is rock solid.
Absolutely, and not to mention, Millie's street appeal has gone through the roof.
Let's not talk about the roof.
Maybe in another video.
Yeah, I think so. You have to come back.
I'm not coming back. Repair, refresh, protect, finish. In the home, around the home, or away from home, there's a Sika solution built to last.